Hi everyone, it's me Chpater from mathsupdates.com, and today we are going to start 2.5 exercise, which is chapter 2, question number 4 and the part second. And in this question we are going to find the inverse of the following matrices, and let's see what we have in this question, and we are going to start right now. Now we have in this question, and that is 3 5 7 in first row, 4 2 1 in second row, and in third row we have 2 0 and 3. Now how we are going to solve that? We are going to make one formation, and that is 3 5 7 4 2 1 and 2 0 and 3. And here we are just going to take the identity matrix with that one, which is 0 1 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and therefore we are now going to just make that matrix identity, and that gets some value, and that will be called inverse of that matrix. And it is one of the easy form which we are going to do that. Now for that I'm going to just make that 1 and that 0 and that 0, and while looking here we can just do one operation, and that is called R1 minus R, and we have R3, and the second we are going to do R2 minus 2 R, or we have R3. See, when we are going to subtract R1 from R3, then we will get 3 minus 2, and the answer will be 1. And when we are going to multiply that with 2 and subtract that, 4 minus 4, we will get 0. And therefore we are going to do something like this one. Now 3 5 7, we have 0, multiply that 2 and multiply by 2, that will be 0, and subtracting that will come same value, and now multiplying that with 2, and we will get minus 6 plus 1 will be minus 5. And now this one we are going to just operation that row first as well, and for that one we are just going to make like we have 3 minus 2, and that will be 1, and 5 minus 0, that will be 5, 7 minus 3, that will be 4. Now the last one, because we have not done anything, we are going to write that as it is, and here we have the value. And here in the second identity matrix we are going to do same thing. Okay, 1 minus 0 will be 1, and 0 minus 0 will be 0, and 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. We are doing same that operation which is here. Now for that one we are going to do like 0, and multiplying that with 2, that will be 0 0, and 0 multiplied by 0 1, and we have minus 2 0 will be minus 2, and the third row will be 0 0 and 1. Next, what we are going to do, making the row third row, that element should be 0, the 2 should be 0, and for that we are going to operate like R3 minus 2 R1. And when we are going to multiply R1 with 2 and subtract that 1 with R3, we will get that 0. And for doing that we are going to write like, let me just remove that first, and let me just make some color variation here. For example, now we will take that 1 5 4 as it is, 0 2 minus 5 will be same, and we are going to multiply R1 with 2 and subtract that in R3. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 2 10 and minus 10, minus 10 0 will be minus 10, and we have 4 4 multiplied by -2 -8 and 3, we will get 4 and -4, or and 8 5 6 7 8, we get here 5. We will get here 5, and similarly we are going to make the same with identity matrix 1 0 -1 0 1 -2, and we are going to multiply that with -2. That will be -2 here with 0 come -2, and here 0 -2 0 and 0 0, and we have minus plus 2 with 1 plus 3, and we will get that matrix like this one. Now next we are just going to just take a common from that one, and we can do that easily. And how we are going to do, we are making R3 and 1 over 5. When we are going to divide all of them, we will get here 2 and here 1. And what we are going to do here, 1 5 4 0 2 -5, and we have 0, because when we are going to divide 5 with 1 over 5 with 0, the answer will become 0, and here we will get -2, and here we will get -1, and similarly we will do same thing with identity as well, and it will be 1 0 -1 0 1 -2, and we will do like -2 over 5, and we have 0, and we have 3 over 5. And now what else we are just going to do here, we are going to just make that one 0, and doing that, so we just add R3 plus R2, and it means when we are going to add that one here, plus -2 will be 0. And for that one we are just going to simply operate like equal 1 5 4 0 2 -5, and we have 0 0 -5, and -1 will be -6, and we are just going to take that one in identity matrix as well, and 1 0 -1 0 1 -2, and here we are going to add 0 to -1 over 2 will be -1 over 5, sorry, that in 1 over 5 0 0 will be 0, and 3 over 5 -1 will be like just let me make that 3 over 5 -1. We will take -5 LCM, it will become like 3 minus 5 over 5, and we will get -2 over 5. Here we will just add here -2 over 5. Okay, -2 over 5, and that is just the simple way of calculation. Okay, now next what we are going to do, we will take -6 common from here, or we will divide row 3 with 1 over 6, or -6 row 3, because we are going to convert that to 1, and that also will convert to 1, and therefore we are just going to write 1 5 6 0 2 -5 0 0 and 1, and we have now next 1 0 -1 0 1 -2, and we have -2 5 multiplied by 6 will be minus that will convert to plus, because we have -6 and it will multiply by 2 over 5, and we will get 5 multiplied by 6, and our answer will be something, let me just do that, after that one, and 0 with minus 1 over 6 will be that will be like 0, and we will have minus 2 over 5 multiplied by 1 minus 1 over 6. And what we have now, just cutting that one with 1 and 2 and here 3, we get 1 over 15, and here minus we have 2 and minus will cancel each other, and there 1 over we have also like 1 over 15. Maybe there is some mistake, I have done some mistake, let me check. That is 3 over 5. okay, that is not 2 over 5, that is 3 over 5, and we have done plus 1, 3 over 5. Let me just check what is wrong here. Okay, minus 1, we have R3 plus R2, R3 plus R2, and I have just added R1 to that, and therefore I'm getting some sort of mistake over here. And now we just do R3 plus R2, and doing so we will get R3 with R2. We are going to add that with minus 2, not with minus 1, and that is the problem here we are getting. And if we got 1 over 5, we just 1 over 5 and R3 plus R2 we are going to do, and here we make something like this one, 3 over 5 R3, and we have minus 2, and we get 5 to 10, and 3 minus 10, which is about 5, and here we are going to 7 over 5, and therefore I'm saying that 7 over 5, and that will be minus, like we have greater minus here, the minus will come here. Now that is not 2 over 5, that is 7 over 5. okay, 7 over 5, and here that will be also 7 over 5, and we are going to divide that with 1 over 6. okay, minus 7 over 5, and we are just multiplying that with minus 1 over 6, and we are just going to get that like, let me just write here 1 5, let me just take that up, 154 and 02 minus 5 and 001, and next we have like 1 0 minus 1 and 1 minus 2, and we have 1 over 15 and 0 we have, and we have now minus plus 7 over 30. Now let me check that one as well, because we have done like R2 plus R3, then that value also come here. Now R3 plus R2, okay, now that value also come here, and 1 plus, and here we get 1, and here we get 1 already. And next what we are going to do, and 1 over 6, since we are getting that 1 over 6, therefore it will come minus 1 over 6. okay, now minus 1 over 6, minus 1 over 6. okay, now that is completely fine, we got everything right. And let me check some of mistake here, minus that will be plus. okay, now what else we are going to do, we are just going to one that part, and for that one we are just going to make that one to 0, and we have minus 5, and doing so we are, or we write like the operation R2 plus R5 R3, and we are going to multiply R3 with 5 and adding here, we will get that 0. 1 5 4, and we have 0 2 0, and we have 0 0 1, and similarly we are going to write here, and what that will be 1 0 minus 1, and we since we have added that R3 to R2 and multiplying with 5 there as well. For example, 0 plus 5 and 15, and next we have 1 plus, and we have minus 1 multiplied by 5 over 6, and next we have, and I'm going to just take that to the same row, like 0 will come here and minus 1 will come here, and we have minus 2 and 7 multiplied by 5 over 30, and next we are going to write same 1 over 15 minus 1 over 6, and we have 7 over 30, and here next we are just going to 1 and 3, we are going to take the LCM of that one, which is minus 1 over 5 over 6. It is 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5 over 6, which is equal to 1 over 6. Okay, here we will get 1 over 6, like 1 0 minus 1, I got 1 over 3 here, and we got here 1 over 6, and we are just going to check this. Okay, we cannot cut that one, but we cut that one, and we get like this one, and we have now minus 2. Okay, let me just do that in here inside. Minus 2 plus 7 multiplied by 5 over 30, we just cut that with 1 and 6, and we now get minus 2 plus 7 over 6. Now what we will get, 12 minus 12 plus 7 over 6, and next we will get like minus 12 and 7, we have 5 over 6. Okay, and yeah, and that will come with minus sign because it is the greater sign. Now minus 5 over 6, and in bottom we have 1 over 15, 1 over 6, minus 1 over 6, and 7 over 30, and same value will come here, like we have like 1 5 4 0 2 and 0 and 0 0 1. What else we are going to do, just going to make that one as well, and for that we simply do like 1 over 2 R2. Okay, and we will get 1 and 1 5 4 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Next we have like 1 0 minus 1 1 over 6 and 1 over 12, and we have minus 5 over 12. Okay, and we have 1 over 15 minus 1 over 6 and 7 over 30, and we have that one. Now next we are just going to make that one 1, that one 1 as well. Now what we are going to do, R1 minus 4 R3, multiplying that with 4 and subtracting with this one, that value will remain same, and we are going to get that 0. Now simply 1 5 4 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and now next we have okay, that will be 0. also that will be 0. Now what we are going to do, multiply that with 4, 1 plus, oh sorry, minus, we are just going to take that to minus, minus 4 and 6, 0 minus 4 minus minus, that will be plus 4 over 6, and minus 1 and minus 4 multiplied by 7 over 30, and 1 over 6, 1 over 12 minus 5 over 12, we will get 1 over 15 minus 1 over 6 and 7 over 30. Okay, now next what we are going to do, simply we are just going to calculate that value for these. Okay, I'm going to 1 minus 4 over 6, I'm calculating that one. We are getting 6 minus 4 over 6 because LCM, and 2 over 6, and now we have 1 over 3, and that value come 1 over 3. Now next what we have, 4 and divide 2 and 3, 2 into 3, and next we have like minus 1 minus 4 multiplied by 7 over 30, 4 and 15 we will get, and we will get here 2, and here we get 14, like minus 1 minus 14 over 15, and next we are going to take LCM, minus 15 and minus 14, which will be over 15, and finally we will get 9 minus 29 over 15. Okay, minus 29 over 15, and here we will get 1 over 6, 1 over 12, and minus 5 over 12, and we will get 1 over 15 minus 1 over 6 and 7 over 30, and we have the value here, like let me write 1 5 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Now the final step is to reduce that as well, making that 0, and by multiplying R2 with 5, subtracting that with R1, we will get simply R1 minus 5 and R2. Okay, yeah, that is the one. We will get 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Now it is reduced. Next we are going to do simply multiplying that with 1 over 3, and since we have to multiply that, and minus 5 multiplying with 1 5 and 6, and we have now 2 over 3 minus 5 over 12, and we have now minus 29 over 15 minus 25 over 12. Okay, and next we have 1 over 6, 1 over 12, and minus 5 over 12, and we have 1 over 15 minus 1 over 6 and 7 over 30. Next what we are going to do, just calculate that value. Minus 1 over 3 minus 5 over 6, that will be like okay, taking LCM, we will get 6, and here we will get 2, here 5, and minus 3 by 6, which is equal to minus 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2, 5, we get 2, we'll get 2 here, minus 5, and minus 3, 1, minus 1 over 2. Okay, we will get minus 1 over 2, and next we are going to calculate that one as well, and for doing so I just let me just remove that one, and now calculating 2 over 3 minus 5 over 12, we will get 12 and 8 and minus 5. We have now, okay, 8 minus 5, 3 over 12 minus 3, I think, yeah, 3 over 12, and 1 over 4 we will get 1 over 4. And now next we have the final one which we are going to do, and we have minus 29 over 15 and minus 25 over 12. We will just take the LCM, and by factorization we can easily do that. 5, okay, no, with 3 we can do that. 3 and 5, we have 4. Okay, now 4, 20, 20 and 3, we will get 60, and dividing 60 with 15 and we'll multiplying with that one, and we will get, like, let me just that calculator, and we will do like minus, okay, 60 divided by 15, we will get 4 multiplied by 29, and we will get minus 161 minus 116, and same we are just going to do with that one. 12, and we have 60 divided by 12 and multiply by 25, we'll get 125 and 125. And if you can check, we have that both in minus, and now we are going to add that one, okay, plus 116, and we will get minus, I think I have done some mistake here with minus or plus sign, okay, minus, and minus that will be plus, okay, because we have done that, we should do that with plus. That minus with that minus will can be a plus, and therefore we are just going to get that one plus. And now again doing so, we are going to take 125 minus 116, we will get 9 over 60, and dividing, so 3 and 2, and we have 3 and no, that will be 3 and 20, that value come. And now next we have 1 over 6, 1 over 12 minus 5 over 12 minus 1 over 15 minus 1 over 6, 7 over 30, and that is the inverse of the matrix, which will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0. Okay, let me just arrange that one with the same row. Okay, 1 0 0 and 0 1 0, and we have 0 0 1, and that is the answer of the question. And I hope you understand, and that one was a simple lengthy question, and I hope that you understood everything. It is a little bit complicated as well. If you have any question, you can write that in the answer box. There is not any problem. Okay, everyone, just give me permission to bye, and we will meet in next question again. Bye bye.